Hi everyone. William is going to have a heyday. We are all going to see if the Eugenie and Beatrice are going to have their titles taken away, and if they had some sort of dealings, illegal dealings, or something that might, sorry, something that might have put their titles in, in trouble, um, let's just see, because we know what kind of parents they've had, and if they benefited from some kind of underhanded dealings, or uh, not on the up and up, we're just gonna see. Anyway, is Prince William going to have their titles taken? I've heard from the weekend, so let's see. Or by the weekend. Let's see. Are their titles in jeopardy, please? Are their titles in jeopardy? Let's just see. I hope so. I just I don't like them. They're so they're underhanded to me. I mean, they might be not, but you mess with Catherine, William is coming for you. So there you go. And so many people I know, there are so many people that would be so happy to see this. So are the I'm just going to call them the York girls, but Princess Beatrice, Princess Eugenie, are they are they getting ready to have their titles taken? The Four of Pentacles, you know what? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Upright, that's stability. And it's hanging on to them. In reverse, letting them go. And I watched Celt Views, and she said on Eugenie's Instagram, she had an Instagram reel or something that said, letting go and releasing whatever. Well, actually, this is the full moon, and that's what you're supposed to do. So release what doesn't serve you. But I wonder what that was. Is she talking about the titles? Is she talking about the titles? The Page of Cups in reverse. And upright, that would be surprising news. It says playfulness. And in reverse, I think there's some regrets there. And probably some heartache. What about Beatrice? Because apparently she's not said anything. What does she know? Does she think her title will be taken? Justice. I would say, yeah. Justice is coming for them. It's finally caught up with them. Balance. And even if, it isn't, everything's on the up and up, William is going to balance the scales here. Something is going to happen, even if they don't get their titles taken away. I bet in some way he will balance the scales as far as what they did. He's coming for them. That's what I think. So will he be taking Archie and Lilibet's titles, please? Will he be taking... That is the Hierophant upright. And that is the royal family. Knowledge, it says. When... I believe that when he is king, he will be taking them. That is the Hierophant is the royal family. And what about Harry? Will he have his taken? The Ace of Cups. And that is lots of tears and stuff. He might be... this is... it's emotions. But in reverse, it's like a river of tears. Really upset Harry. I think he's really scared right now that he is going to get his title taken because, you know, Prince Andrew got his taken. So, I just say he's taking out the trash. Is that what's happening? Will it be cleaning up the royal family? Seven of Swords in reverse. That's betrayal. And yeah, I think in reverse, he is going to, yeah, clean it up. Get rid of all of them. That's my thoughts anyway, guys. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Thank you to my lovely members who support this channel. I appreciate you so much. Please hit the like button and the hype as well. And I will see you in the next one.